What is going on, guys? The market just closed for me. There was absolutely no day trade, so I wanted to go on ahead and jump into this watch list. So let's get right into it. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, so a few things. I don't really have any swings that I'm particularly looking at entering at this exact second. Now, why would I even start the video out with that? Mostly because I'm being 100% transparent with you guys. The whole market is trying to recover from the huge V shape that we had. So if we look at a 1 year, 1 day chart, you see it back here that we had this huge V shape, and of course we hit new highs off the market. But we're really not doing well over here, to be 100% honest with you guys. So let's go back to a 1 hour. This is a 200 EMA, just so you guys know. No, this is, again, not my strategy. So don't DM me asking if it's my strategy, because I'm telling you straight up, it's not my strategy to use the 200 EMA. I'm just using it because if you guys watch CNBC, I've noticed that a lot of people keep asking me about it, or an SMA, or 200 moving average of some sort. This just happens to be the 200 moving average. You can see it up here. But with that being said, you're going to notice that a lot of things today are actually getting up towards that 200 EMA, which is actually a pretty big deal, because this is going to be, and Amazon's the big one that I think here is, this is going to be, are we going to actually pop through this? Or are we going to do the exact same thing we've been doing, where it's hitting it, falling, hitting it, falling, and now we're going to hit it again and fall. After hours, you can already see we instantly got some reads in here that have drawn it back down to around $3,100. Amazon is a huge piece of this market, guys. I want everybody to understand that. Yes, I love day trading this one. So if you guys ask me, Amazon and Apple have been my huge two big money makers this year when day trading using my exact strategy. I don't trade a bunch of stocks. I don't trade penny stocks, so don't ask. But when it comes down to NVDA, again, this is a really solid company as well. This one, and this is the biggest reason on why I'm really not swing trading very much right now, because these market conditions, the election that's coming up, and you see it's actually getting up above it, coming back down, getting above it, staying above it, getting back down. And now we're kind of flat on this 200 EMA, so it's not really a good indicator for me to tell me which way we're really trying to push. We're kind of in that mid area of, which way do we really want to go with elections coming up, and what way is the market really going to push? Are we going to get another stimulus check? Are we going to get more unemployment and things like that? So those are huge questions. I believe if you do see another stimulus check, if you do see more of the HEROES Act and things like that, you are going to see things pop above these 200 EMAs, including Apple. I know Facebook was one last week that I had on the watch list that's not quite near the 200 EMA again, but I do think you could see it curl back up and start running back towards it. Again, not one that I'm really trying to watch. Netflix here lately, I've had multiple students hit on this one. And we played puts last week, and we actually caught this gap down into here, and now we're back on the 200 EMA again. You guys, we can run through a bunch of good companies here on this watch list, and you're going to keep finding the same thing. A lot of them are right around that 200 EMA, which kind of gives you that pivot point. Are we going up? Are we going down? And in this watch list, I want to make it very clear is everything is still kind of pointing downwards. And so I'm not swing trading anything probably for the rest of the week. If I do, it'll be on tomorrow's watch list or the night after that. But I thought this was a watch list that was going to be a very key piece of information, that because I know everybody always wants to make more trades. Everybody, what's the trade? What's the play? How am I going to make more money? So there are days like today where there is no trade. If you guys want to be a day trader, you guys want to be a swing trader, you guys want to be an investor, to do this for a living and make your money doing this, you guys have to be able to sit still, not make a trade sometimes, and save your cash, because that is the best possible trade. That being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this watch list, and I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's.